family, welcome once again to my channel. Today your girl is here again to give you another juicy and effective tip for your hair growth. Today we are going to prepare onion juice for hair growth. So I have here my two medium-sized onions, I have cinnamon, and I have bay leaves. So quickly I peel my onions and then we get started. So first of all, I would love to share with you some of the importance onions give our hair. Onions contain sulfur, a high amount of sulfur, which helps to strengthen your hair follicles. It prevents thinning of hair. It also promotes hair growth. And so if you are suffering from hair loss, please, onion is your best friend. Onion is your best friend. Include onion in your hair regimen. And so, too much of everything is bad as well. Since onion has so much sulfur in it, you would not want to destroy your hair follicles, the roots of your hair, so you use it sparingly. So I put my chopped onions in my blender and I added my bay leaves. I used about 4 leaves, and then I added water. The reason why I added water is because the onion is very concentrated, and because I don't want raw onions on my hair, I added water to make it less concentrated. And I added bay leaf not because of the smell. Bay leaves also helps your blood to circulate, just like the cinnamon. It helps in blood circulation. It contains antibacterial properties and antifungal properties. So with bay leaf and then cinnamon, you are good to go. I added few drops of vitamin E oil to also help in moisturizing of my scalp. I went ahead and added castor oil. Castor oil has a moisturizing property. It helps thicken your hair, it helps your hair to grow, it keeps your hair shining. And so with this combination, your hair will be shining like the knight in shining armor. So now I'm going to transfer this into my spray bottle and then I am good to go. So if you want to try this, please make sure that you are not sensitive to onion, you are not allergic to onion. If you have sensitive scalp, sensitive skin, you would have to be mindful of using this. You can also add aloe vera gel for this juice to be less concentrated, but it works so perfectly. So right now, this is my hair, the state of my hair now, looking dry, and I am going to spray the onion juice on my scalp and on my hair. I've put my hair into smaller sections, and so I'm going to spray the onion juice on my scalp. So now I'm just trying to check the length of my hair and see how my hair is growing, if it is growing or it is stagnant. Or so I do this quick check whenever I lose my hair and I would want to know if my hair is growing. Indeed, it is growing bit by bit. Okay, so I'm just going to start with spraying off my hair with the onion juice. So Just watch how I do it. I put it on my scalp, okay, on my scalp, and when I'm done, I massage my fingers into in my scalp to get the nutrients of the onion, the bay leaf, the cinnamon into my scalp. Alright, so this is what I do. And remember, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do your girl a big favor and subscribe to this channel and help this channel grow. I really need your likes, your comments. It really helps and it really keeps me going to know that what I am doing is appreciated. Okay, so I just want you to stop everything that you are doing, and then you see that red button just under the video, just click on it. So right now I realized my spray bottle wasn't working, it wasn't pumping anymore, and so I had to transfer my onion juice into an applicator bottle. So as a naturalist, you need to get certain things in place in case of any emergency So this is so far so good. I have applied the onion juice to most parts of my hair, and this is it. So you can see from my edges. Okay, so this is going to keep your hair very shiny. And remember, the bay leaf and the cinnamon took over a great portion of the onion smell. Okay, you know onion has this kind of smell, some bad smell. You know how onion smells. Okay, so adding bay leaf and the cinnamon goes a long way to help with that smell. Okay, so you can decide to use lavender, right? You can add lavender, peppermint oil, any essential oil of your choice. You just add it to it, and then if you don't have castor oil, you can use coconut oil or olive oil. It is also perfect for this process. So now I am just twisting down my hair as usual, and when I'm done with this process, I will just cover my hair up in a plastic bag and then wait for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then I'm going to wash the onion off my hair with a mild shampoo. And remember, after putting onion in your hair, remember to follow up with conditioning, a conditioner that contains a lot of moisture, a conditioner that is nourished, okay, so that it doesn't make your scalp so dry. And if you have itchy scalp, you can try this. But remember again, if you are sensitive to onion, if you have allergies when you take in onion, please don't try this. Please don't try this. So when all was done, I washed my hair with my shampoo, and then I dried my hair. So this is the state of my dried hair, and I decided that, oh okay, why don't I quickly do a protective style. It's been a long time since I had cornrows as protective styles, so why don't I take my time and then have a simple protective style for about 4 weeks or 6 weeks. So that's what I'm going to do. Remember, you use onion juice once a week, and even if you can go once every 2 weeks or once every month, depending on your schedule. I think whatever that seems best for you, you should do it, but do not use it continuously, because onions contain so much sulfur that it can keep your scalp very dry, and later on, instead of it doing you good, it will rather harm your hair. So you make sure you don't overuse onions. Okay, you don't overuse the onions. So I was trying to have cornrows as protective styles, and I have not done this before. I have not tried braiding cornrows like this tiny cornrow on my hair before, so I was just trying something else. I hope it goes well. I hope it goes well. So that's it. So you can just stay back and watch, and please remember to subscribe to my channel, remember to like my videos, remember to leave your comments as well. Okay, so thank you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.